Hey everyone, yes, it's a big one. 18 by 24 level 2 from Michaels. Canvas is all prepped and ready to go. Cups are sprayed with the WD-40 and ready to go. So I had a hard time picking colors because of course I've been using up all my leftovers and I wanted to finish off the red. So this painting is going to have shades of red, some yellow ochre, yellow, gold, and black. And I'm probably going to put some copper in there too, just to highlight some red. I did not pull that one, sorry. So I thought I'd be a little more prepared. So we wouldn't have to wait so long. So I have a bunch of black sitting here with silicone. I want to use it up. These are my overflows when I fill my bottles, so we will use these up. So I am going to start with black. We are doing 6 flip cups. Not a pour. Not a dirty pour anyway. So I don't care if I drip. It's very warm here today. It's about 86 out there right now. We have rain coming, which makes for crappy thunderstorms when it's hot like this. So I thought I'd get my filming in case the electric goes out. There will be no white in this painting because the last time I put white in it, we ended up with a big white patch. And I don't, it's beautiful painting, but I don't want any white this time. So if we get yellow or orangey color, that's fine. Okay, so I got rid of those two. So my next color is going to be this beautiful Azo Red Deep from Soho. And it's okay if I don't have enough because I have other reds here I'm going to use. I have more Azo Red too. So. After I mix them, I'm like, oh, I love that color. So then I put it in a bottle so I have more. But I'm not a red person, you guys know that. And I thought, let's do a red one. So this is the same thing. Of course, I just got a shot of silicone out of there. Okay, so after the red, I'm going to go ahead and add my copper. A generous amount. I'm not doing any layering because I'm not dirty pouring. Okay, so let's go back with some red ochre. I like this color. And I'm going to add the yellow on that, so maybe we'll get just a tinge of yellow or orange in there. So fun to use up color. And I'm just going to leave that one sitting there like that for a minute. Get my gold and my, oops. You can stay down there for a minute. For a minute. Okay. Get a stick. So as you can see, I'm not being afraid of the red and I'm not being afraid of the yellow today. Normally I cringe. So be proud of me. Okay. I think I'm going to go ahead and put just a little crimson on top of that because I really am looking for a little bit of orange. But I don't want to put orange in there. I would rather have it be homemade orange. So I'm going to go ahead and top them off with a little bit of black. And I'm going to introduce some ochre and some gold. Okay, let's do the ochre first. And it's okay to shove it down through if you're using squirt bottles, because that mixes up your color, so you don't really have to stir it. And my gold. This isn't my normal favorite color, gold, but they did not have it when I went, so I'm using DecoArt Splendid Gold. Okay. Oh, let's go back with the ochre. I don't have a lot left, so come on, finish up. There we go. I like when I can refill bottles. And some more azo. And oh, I don't want to put any more black in there. So I think I'll just top it off with some more gold shoved down through. And that'll do a little shot of copper, if I have enough. This one was skimpy. Okay, love empty bottles. So that should be plenty of paint for this. Let me get you where you can see good. And we'll start flipping. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh, love. So we're gonna wait till the paint drops. I put the WD-40 in, so it shouldn't take too long. I get antsy waiting. Don't you? Okay. Ooh, I love the copper. Beautiful. So far, so good. Maybe a little green there from that yellow and black. That's okay, we can get rid of that. So she's all moving together here. We got no holes now. Let me give it a quick torch. I'm just popping air bubbles mostly. I've got quite a few air bubbles. I love this right here. So pretty. Okay, let's move it around a little bit. So a lot of it's going to fold over. Oh, that yellow in the middle, it's coming out to see me. I like to bring it back to the middle before I shift around. I'm going to go over the edge there and go right over to the other side. Bring it back to the middle. I'm sorry for the glare. Big patch of black. It's gonna haunt me. Get my corners covered here. Okay. Well, the yellow is subtle. The copper is beautiful. The ochre is there. I did get a little orange. Man-made orange. Woman-made orange. Let me wipe my hands. I'm watching that patch of black to see if anything's going to come up through it. Because I have a feeling we're going to be stuck with a black patch and a red patch. And there's some red coming up through it right now. Very slowly. Some of those air bubbles just don't want to pop. I have to get them with my stick. I can see all the silicone sitting on top of that black. We're gonna move it some more because I'm not liking that. There's a few cells coming up through it, but nothing that I like. But I have a feeling if I stretch this, I'm gonna be stretching this black down there. It must be a clump. Let's see. Yep. Oh, I dropped it. Okay. Alright, let me see if we can move it down that way without getting too much stretch. I'm going to do it really slow. Get my paint down there. You see it moving? On your right. So we'll get it down to that spot and we should be able to push it down. Without losing too much. It just does not want to cooperate with me. It's like staying there and everything else is going off. I'm stretching it too much. Alright, let me turn it around. Well, I don't need to turn it around. I can bring it back this way. I'm going to do hard tilt here to bring it back. And we'll let's pray that, see how this is coming up now? Pray that that comes up through the rest of it. And if I swiped it, it would look horrible. So for all you swipers out there, kudos to you because I don't like to swipe. Okay, so I'm going to call this one done. I'm not going to play with it anymore. I love the band of copper through there. We'll get some more coming up through there because it did there too, so it's just going to take some time. Got a lot of beautiful cells, hints of the yellow, a little greenish tinge here. Hopefully that'll change. But overall, it's a flip cup. If I would have done a dirty pour, we would have had a little more control, but I wanted to show you 6 cups on a big canvas and how you get your lines of separation. You can, and I'm going to cover this on another video, when you flip your cups, you can come through another cup that you flipped to join your colors together. So I'm going to cover that on an upcoming video, different techniques. You know I'm not going to leave it alone. I don't want to pull it no more. I tried to slap my own hand. But I'm going to keep playing with it a little bit, torching it and stuff, and see what I can get. Dried painting will be shown as a thumbnail and also on Facebook. I need to load some pictures on there of paintings I did last week. But if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on the notification bell. You'll get notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. We didn't get 100% on this one, that's for sure, but it is pretty. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art, and also check out my Etsy shop for my 25% off sale. Using the code BIRTHDAY will get you your 25% off at checkout. And it's not just paintings, guys. I have lots of jewelry there, and a lot of it's sterling silver and hand-painted beads, but those are not on sale. But the jewelry and the paintings are. I have some closeout jewelry that I'm trying to get rid of. And shop with me on Amazon, where you can get your canvas, your popsicle sticks, your torch, your washing machine trays, the airbrush, cups, Floetrol, silicone, all of it's there. No need to go anywhere else to buy bits and pieces. You can get it all on Amazon through my link. And I did shop for the cheapest prices, so you should get a pretty good deal. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye now.